umqansa ke ukubuyisa amandla akhe ukhulekani uzoza khuphukela entabeni ayofuna amandla kodwa amandla dololo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chin. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 7th to the 11th of October 2024 on Monday. Khulekani makes headlines, sending his life into a tailspin. The Mthembos are overwhelmed by multiple issues coming their way. Nokubonga is stuck between a rock and a hard place on Tuesday. Khulekani finally rises from the dumps and is ready to take on the world, but not before he tells his family who the really Zamcolo is. The two sisters mend broken fences on Wednesday. Khulekani decides to claim or reclaim his power. Phalala believes that the Mthembu should take Nokubonga back, but Phamandla tells him the cruel truth on Thursday. Ndlovu pumps up the congregation and makes excuses for Khulegani's loss of powers. Manzimande is left worried by Sfoxia's utterances about Khulegani. Mabusi wants to visit Nokubonga but is worried the show will be rejected on Fridays. Phamandla and Manzimande try to stop Khulegani from climbing the mountain. Khulegani gets overwhelming support to climb, and Sefotria need to convince council to be accepted back. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.